Welcome to Shiro's classroom, lesson number 1, learning language through songs. We listen to music to help us relax or to lift our mood. But do you know that music can also help you when learning a new language? Many teachers use songs to teach different language skills, including reading and listening. But how does this method work and how can you apply it? If you're already learning a new language, all you have to do is search for popular songs in your target language. You can do this online or you can ask for recommendations. Once you find a good song that you really like, search for the words, read it a couple of times, and look up the words that you don't understand. Also, you can find great websites for translation. Now listen to the song and follow the words. Make sure to repeat this couple of times until you become familiar with the whole song. You can create your own playlist and practice whenever you're free. By time, you will find that these songs are helping you with the new language. So, do you have any song recommendation for learning a specific language? Please feel free to share it with us in the comments below. Thank you for attending this class. Don't forget to subscribe to Bilingua channel and visit our blog for more interesting topics.